Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a golden origami spinner. For this you need 3 papers, so see you after the intro. So first we need a square paper. I'm going to turn this to this side, then we're going to fold over this line and this one here. Now unfold the paper. I'm going to fold over this line here. Then unfold the paper. Now we're going to take all the corners. I'm going to fold them all towards the center of the paper. Now we're going to take again the 4 corners of the square and we're going to fold them over the center of the paper. Now we're going to unfold the paper, unfold all the folds that we did. Then we're going to take the center of each of these lines, which is this and this and this and here. I'm going to fold them over the center of the paper, like here shown. Then just flatten the paper, like here. Doesn't matter which side. Then take each corner, you see here. I'm gonna open it from the inside here, and then flatten it like this. I'm gonna repeat the same step for all the 3 other corners. So I'm gonna open it first, then flatten it. Now we're gonna take for each square, we're gonna take this line here and this one, and gonna fold them both over the center line. This line here, gonna fold it over the center line. Then unfold it and take this first layer here to the top and then fold it. Now we're going to do the same thing to all the three other sides. Now that we have a kind of star here, we're going to take the center of each corner here we have. I'm going to fold it from this point here towards this one here. Make sure this line and this one are both over this here, this line and this one. Like this. Now we're gonna do the same thing for all the other corners. Now we're gonna take each of these points here and we're gonna slide them below here in a pouch below them. Just like this. That's it for the first paper. Now for the second, do the same two first steps that we did. After this, you're gonna turn the paper and we're gonna take again the four corners of the paper and we're gonna fold them towards the center. Then turn it to this side. And we're gonna take this. We're gonna put each one of the corners on these white parts of this model. Then take each part and fold it like this. And take another square paper and do again the two first steps. Then we're gonna fold these four corners towards the center again. Then turn the paper to this side here. And fold it like this. Then we're going to take this here. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.